Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today I'm going to be opening the Wizarding Trunks High Security Vault, and this is for the Yule Ball Christmas edition. So yeah, pretty excited about this. There is an item in here that I designed that is totally different than, well, not completely, but like it's unique. It's different than what I've ever done, and I'm pretty sure the Wizarding Trunk has never done something like this before. So let's get right into opening up this box. If you do want to order the Wizarding Trunk or subscribe to the Wizarding Trunk, I do have a link down below that you can use for a discount on your order. I am doing a series of book covers. If you don't know, most people probably already know, but I'm doing a series of book covers for the Wizarding Trunk. It's a bi-weekly box, so this is in their normal box. And yeah, it's just, each one is gonna fit on one of the Harry Potter books, the American First Editions. So yeah, if you're interested in getting your hands on those, you might be able to get a hold of the past ones. You'll have to get a hold of the Wizarding Trunk for that. I can't distribute them, but yeah, if you want any of the new ones going forward, you'll have to subscribe to the Wizarding Trunk, and I have a link in the description box. Anyways, let's get into this box. All right, so here we go. Open it up, and there we go. Hey, that's pretty festive, some green and red. Anyways, this looks to be the cheat sheet, and I'm not going to look at it. I like it when they put those on the bottom rather than the top, but it's a Yule Ball menu, which is pretty cool. I like how they take the cheat sheet and they turn it into something that's still kind of cool, rather than it just being, you know, a piece of paper or something. All right, here's a shirt, and there are a couple items in here that I was spoiled for, and this is one of them. But here we go, it's actually a sweater for Ron Weasley. And I believe there's a Harry Potter one too, and I'm thinking it's just random which one you get. I'm not sure about that, so don't quote me on that, but I'm glad I got Ron, because that's the one that I wanted. So yeah, that's awesome. It looks like a knit sweater in the like texture of the R. That's pretty cool. It's you know, it's just it's a sweater, but oh man, it is comfy in there. That is pretty soft in there. That's gonna be nice. I'm gonna wear that. Actually, I'm gonna put this on right now just to see if it fits. So here we go. There we go, got my mic on. Yes, it fits very well. I like this. This is a nice, comfy sweater. Very good. So let's continue. We've got some type, oh, it's an ornament. I solemnly swear that oh, I thought it was gonna say I'm up to no good, but it says, I solemnly swear that I was good this year, instead of I'm up to no good. So here we go. It looks like the castle from the front of the Marauders map, and it's etched into wood or burned into wood. What's it called? Branded, I guess you would say, into the wood there. Very cool. Nice little ornament. That's going on my tree. Here we've got I know this is a pin. So this pin is it says you're invited. Oh, it's a Yule Ball pin. So it's like the castle with some of the Yule Ball type shapes in the background there. Very cool. It is a very big pin. I kind of prefer the smaller pins. This is just really heavy. It's good for like collecting, if you're just collecting pins and not wanting to actually pin them to your clothes. But this one's pretty heavy, pretty bulky, but it's really cool. All right, next up, there are several boxes in here. So let's just go for one of them. We'll go for this one. Man, these boxes are hard to open, unless I'm doing it wrong, and I am. I think it just pulls, yep. I was making it hard for myself. Here we go. This one is Dragon Fire Distillery, it's fire whiskey. So there we go. It is sealed with a wax seal on top, and then it's got the label right here, and as you can see, the liquid in there, it kind of swirls around with some type of glittery stuff, I think. But that's really, really neat. I like the bottle, and I like the liquid inside. Don't drink it though. I guarantee that's not for drinking. So don't open it, it's just for show. Very cool so far. So far pretty good. Let's see what is in this one. It's always a challenge to find the right place to open these boxes. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. This one's in styrofoam, so it must be something pretty fragile. Oh, is that a snow globe? It is. Okay, cool. It looks like we've got a snow globe in here. Packaged nicely. That's really cool. And it's got a snowy owl. Has like Hedwig in there. That is really good quality, really cool. I would not have expected this. I like the wooden base. Very surprised by the quality of this item. It's not a cheap item. It's clearly well made, I would say. All right, set that one aside. That one might be my favorite one so far. Let's see. Okay, here's something. This is it a key? What does it have on it? It looks like it's supposed to be like a key. That's the type of shape that it is. It's in the shape of a key. And then it has like a carriage on here and snowflakes and an owl. I'm probably completely spacing it on something that's obvious, like always. So I will check the cheat sheet for this one because I'm not quite sure what the key is actually supposed to be for. Oh wait, that's not an owl, that's a thestral, I think. Obviously, a thestral in front of the carriage. That makes sense, but not sure what the key reference is. We will see when we get to the cheat sheet. Here's a little silver box, and inside that silver box is a necklace. So here is the heart necklace. Let's see, there we go. I'm not sure what the reference is on this one either off the top of my head. So let's set that one aside and continue in here. Here, let's just go ahead and open this one. This one is my item. This is the one that I put in here. So here we go, guys. It is Miss Merriweather's mistletoe. Guaranteed magical pest free, because you know what lives in mistletoe is nargles, and nobody wants pesky nargles in their mistletoe. I was saying at the beginning how it's something that I've never done before, and I don't believe the Wizarding Trunk ever has either, is this foiling on the actual potion label itself. And I think this turned out really good. It looks very Christmassy, and yeah, it turned out great. And on the inside, again, you can see it's mistletoe, kind of frosted mistletoe, a little snow at the bottom there, and then we have a silver seal at the top. I think this turned out great. Very good. Let's continue on. Oh, hey. Christmas cards. We get 3 Christmas cards. So here is the artwork on these cards. The back is blank. The inside is blank. You could save these or send them out. I'm probably going to give 2 of them out. That is the end of this box. There's nothing else in there but green and red wiggly worms. Now it's time to talk about what my favorites were in this box. So I'm going to say, obviously, the snow globe. That's just really cool. And the sweater. That's really cool too. And the fire whiskey is really cool too. Everything in here was pretty cool, but I'd say if it came down to 3 and I couldn't pick my own mistletoe, because I really like the foiled label on there and just pretty cool stuff there. But if I can't pick that, then yeah, I'm definitely gonna say the owl, the fire whiskey, and the Ron Weasley sweater. Now we're gonna get into this cheat sheet right here, and it is a Yule Ball menu. It has the different things that are different meals that you can order at the Yule Ball, as you can see right there. I'll let you read that. And then we will go over some of the items here. I'm just gonna name them off and give credit where it's due. I'm not really gonna go into much detail. So the Christmas jumper, it features one of 3 initials. Okay, so it must be Ron, Hermione, and Harry? No, Hermione wouldn't make sense because maybe it's Ginny. let me know what sweater you got if you got this box, and if you got something other than Ron or Harry. Who is the third person? And then we've got this one is the carriage key. So that's what that is. I was right about it being a key, but yeah, it's a carriage key. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of something you might see in Kingdom Hearts. Like this could be a keyblade. Anyways, a little video game reference for you guys there. And then a set of 3 Christmas cards. So we've got these 3 Christmas cards, and these were designed for them by J.P. Mistletoe. And then we've got the necklace, the heart necklace. And it says, while we understand that this iconic necklace is traditionally large and gold, but we wanted to do a silver take on it. My Sweetheart Necklace, the Wizarding Trunk exclusive. I'm still drawing a blank, guys. I'm really sorry. You probably are like ripping your hair out trying to like tell me what this reference is, and it's just not, I can't hear you through this. So I'm going to Google this. Okay, so there we go. Ron Weasley's Sweetheart Necklace. I'm on the Harry Potter wiki right now, looking this up. I can't believe I have to do this. It's from Lavender Brown. She gave Ron Weasley a necklace as a Christmas gift. It was a thick gold chain with large gold letters spelling "My Sweetheart." I don't 100% remember that scene. It's been a while since I read the books or listened to the audiobooks. So the mistletoe, obviously designed by me. So that's that one. And then we've got the You're Invited pin right here. And there's that one. That was created exclusively for the Wizarding Trunk. And then we have the bottle of fire whiskey right here. And this bottle of Dragonfire whiskey was bottled by Dragonfire Distillery. The Snowy Owl Snow Globe, which I really loved this one. Obviously, I said this was my favorite. And the snow globe shows a beautiful owl perched in the snow. It looks like Hedwig. And then we have the wooden ornament right there. Let me know if you got that heart reference, that heart necklace reference before I did. I never got it. I had to Google it. So let me know if you got that reference or not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a happy Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.